Kamusta, Goodysens? Welcome sa ating Goody Addy's Virtual Digest, kung saan pinag-uusapan natin lahat ng patungkol sa virtual assistant world. Sa episode na to, pag-uusapan natin ang isang hot topic. Paano nga ba ibebenta ang sarili mo as VA sa global market? Madali lang ba ang kumita ng dollars at euros online? Well, it depends sa strategy mo. Kaya today, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process para masigurado mapapansin ka at ma-hire. Ready ka na? Alright, let's get started. First things first, kailangan mo mag-build ng profile na pag nakita ng client, mapapaisip siya na, this is the one. Start with a professional yet friendly profile picture. Yung mukhang approachable ka pero serious sa trabaho, saka dapat on point ang headline mo. Huwag yung generic na virtual assistant lang. Instead, be specific like experienced VA, specializing in social media and content creation. Sa summary section, dito ka naman magbida-bida. Pero hindi yung sobrang haba na parang thesis ha. Keep it concise but impactful. Highlight your top skills, certifications, at konting personal touch para relatable ka. Show them na ikaw ang missing piece ng kanilang business puzzle. Kung baga sa kotse, ang portfolio ang test drive mo. Ito ang magbibigay sa client ng reason para i-hire ka. Dapat lahat ng best works mo nandyan. Whether it's blog post, graphics, social media campaigns, or admin support work. Include before and after comparisons kung may mga projects ka na nakatulong mag-improve ng client's business. Mas bongga kung may case studies na nagpapakita ng measurable results, like increased social media engagements by 300% in 3 months. Wow factor yun, di ba? And of course, make sure na presentable ang layout ng portfolio mo kasi first impressions last, lalo na online. Sa mundo ng freelancing, networking is everything. Hindi lang ito about sino ang kilala mo, kundi paano mo sila maaabot. Online communities are gold mines for opportunities. Active ka dapat sa LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, at mga forums na related sa niche mo. But here's the secret. Don't just join. Engage. Mag-comment ka, mag-share ng insights, or even post helpful content. Pwede ka rin mag-attend ng virtual conferences or webinars, and don't forget to connect with speakers and participants. It's not about the quantity, but quality connections na pwedeng mag-lead sa next big client mo. Kung hindi ka pa visible, time to step up your social media game. Social media platforms like Instagram, X or Twitter, and even TikTok are not just for fun. They are powerful tools to market your VA services. Start by creating content na nagbibigay ng value na target market mo. Share tips and tricks, behind the scenes of your VA life, and client success stories, of course with the permission of the client syempre. Consistency is key. Mag-post regularly and use hashtags like hashtag virtual assistant, hashtag remote work, and hashtag freelancer. Don't forget to engage with your followers by replying to comments and messages. Build your brand and make sure it reflects who you are as a professional. Imagine this, Goodysens. You're in a virtual networking event and may nagtanong, what do you do? Dapat ready ka with an elevator pitch na maikli pero impactful. This is your 30-second chance to make a lasting impression. For example, you could say, hi, I'm Goody Addy, a virtual assistant who helps businesses streamline their operations through efficient admin support and creative social strategies. Sabay ngiti. Boom yun! Practice this until it sounds natural and confident. Para sa susunod na may magtanong, smooth na ang dating mo. Sa mundo ng freelancing, trust is everything. Kaya testimonials and reviews are your best friends. Pagkatapos ng bawat project, humingi ka ng feedback from your clients. Pag nakuha mo na, i-feature mo ito sa website, LinkedIn at social media profiles mo. This serves as social proof na kayang-kaya mo ang trabaho. Kung may client ka na super happy, ask them to leave detailed review or even a video testimonial. Mas mabigat ang impact nun. And always say thank you to your clients. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit patuloy ka sa VA journey mo. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano i-present ng sarili mo. Next step, saan mo ba ibebenta ang services mo? Maraming platforms dyan, pero piliin mo yung tama para sa'yo. Kung magaling ka sa long-term projects, Upwork is a great option. Kung mas trip mo yung gig-based work, try Fiverr. Pwede rin sa mga specialized platforms like 99 Designs kung graphic designer ka or TopDal kung expert ka sa tech. Create a compelling profile in each platform and make sure na consistent ang branding mo across all sites. Huwag ka mag-spread too thin. Focus on 2 to 3 platforms and master them. Sa VA world, ang kalaban mo hindi lang competition, kundi ang sarili mong kaalaman. The global market is always evolving. Kaya dapat ikaw din. Take online courses to upskill and expand your knowledge. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses on just about anything, be it a project management, digital marketing, or even time management. May certifications pa na pwede mong ilagay sa portfolio at LinkedIn profile mo. This shows potential clients na hindi ka stagnant at handa kang matuto para mas mapabuti ang serbisyo mo. Remember, learning never stops. So, there you have it, Goodysens. Yan ang mga key strategies para ibenta mo ang sarili mo as VA sa global market. With the right profile, portfolio, networking, and continuous learning, makikita mo clients will start lining up. Kaya kung may experiences kayo na gusto nyong i-share or may additional tips pa kayo, drop them in the comments below. At kung may topic suggestions kayo for our next episode, let us know. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow VAs. Hit that follow and subscribe button. And abangan ang susunod na episode ng Goody Addy's Virtual Digest. Hanggang sa muli, Goodizens, keep striving and keep hustling. Remember, kaya mo yan.